chapter, we are going to learn faces, edges and vertices. Next we are building 3D shapes, oblique sketches, steps to draw oblique sketches, isometric sketches, steps to draw isometric sketches, differences between isometric and oblique sketches. Faces, edges and vertices. Vertices in shapes are the points where two or more line segments or edges meet, like a corner. Edges are the line segments that join one vertex to another and are also where the shapes faces meet. Every individual flat surface of solid is called shape, face. Next for building 3D shapes. A net is a collection of connected 2D shapes that can be folded up to form a 3D shape. It is the deconstructed form of a 3D shape. This is the net of a cube. A cube has 6 faces. All the faces of a cube are squares. This is the net of a triangular prism. It has 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. This is the net of a cylinder. It has 2 circles and 1 rectangle. This is the net of a cone. It has a circle and 1 curved piece of paper. This is the net of a hexagonal based pyramid. It means that its base is the hexagon and the 6 triangles are its sides. This is the net of a square based pyramid. It means that its base is a square and the 4 surrounding sides are its triangles. This is the net of a triangular pyramid. The net of a triangular pyramid has 4 equilateral triangles. This is the net of a cuboid. All the faces of a cuboid are rectangles. This is the net of a pentagonal prism. It means that it's a pyramid with a base of a pentagon and 5 triangles as its sides. Oblique sketches. The oblique sketching is a pictorial representation of an object in which the diagram is intended to depict the perspective of objects in 3 dimensions. This type of drawing can be done either in a normal, cabinet or cavalier style. In an oblique sketch, the following are noted. The sizes of the front faces and its opposite are same. Point number 2. The edges, which are all equal in the 3D shape, appear so in the sketch, though the actual measures of the edges are not taken so. Steps to draw oblique sketches. Step 1. Draw the front face. Step 2. Draw the opposite face. Sizes of the face have to be same, but the sketch is somewhat offset from step 2. Step 3. Join the corresponding corners. Step 4. Redraw using dotted lines for hidden edges. Isometric sketches. Isometric sketch or isometric drawing is a pictorial representation of an object in which all 3 dimensions are drawn at full scale. It looks like an isometric projection. In this case, all the lines parallel to its major axis are measurable. There are 3 main rules to isometric drawing. Horizontal edges are drawn at 30 degrees. Vertical edges are drawn at vertical lines. Parallel edges appear as parallel lines. Steps to draw isometric sketches. This is the isometric sketch of a cuboid. Step 1. Draw a rectangle to show the front face. Step 2. Draw 4 parallel line segments of length C starting from the four corners of the rectangle. Step 3. Connect the matching coordinates with appropriate line segments. Step 4. This is an isometric sketch of the cube. Differences between isometric sketch and oblique sketch. Oblique sketch. An oblique sketch has a more focus on the front side of an object or the face. Isometric sketch. Isometric sketch focuses on the edge of an object. Oblique sketch. It's drawn usually using the 45 degrees angle to render the third dimensions. Isometric sketch. It is usually drawn using 30 degrees angle. Now let's do some questions. Match nets with appropriate solid. This is a cube. Let's see which among these nets are the net of cube. This is the net of a triangle based pyramid. Yeah, this is the net of a cube. This is a cylinder. Now let's see which is the net of a cylinder. We saw this is the triangular based pyramid, this is a cube, and this is the cylinder. This is the cone. A cone has one circle and a curved surface. This is the net of cone. This is a triangular based pyramid. This is the net of triangular based pyramid. Question number 2. Draw an isometric sketch that matches this drawing. In this drawing, the height of the cuboid is 6 units and its breadth and length are 3 units. Now let us check whether this drawing is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The height is correct.